Jumerica. Magandang umaga sa inyo mga inday. Ang oras dito mga inday is 8:35 in the morning mga inday, mga dudong. So ngayon mga inday, nakagawa na ako ng breakfast ni Bibi Kano, banana at saka apple, puree, at saka hindi mawawala yung kape natin, day. Yan talaga yung ating morning routine, kape, kape, kape. Alam ko maintindihan nyo, day, kasi alam ko umiinom din kayo ng kape, mga inday, diba? So, mga inday, kagabi, mga inday, nag-snow pala kagabi. Tingnan nyo, mga inday. Ay, panibagong snow. Lalong kumakapal yung snow namin dito, mga inday. Ay, iwan ko na lang itong lugar namin, day. Eh, snow, 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 snow. Oh my God. Day, nandito na si Bibi Kano. Hi, mga ati, Bi. Hi, mga ati. Naglalaro. Tapos na siyang kumain, mga inday. Hindi ko na lang binidyo si Asher kanina kasi nga, yung utak ni Bibi Kano, day, umiiyak, day, umiiyak. Ang pangit naman tingnan, mga inday, diba? Kapag umiiyak si Bibi Kano, pinapakain ko. Diba, ang, baka, ano, day ba, mabingi kayo sa, sa iyak ni Bibi Kano, day. Ito ngayon, naglalaro sa kinakainan niya kanina. Oh. Sige, sige. And then ako, day, umiinom ako ng kape ko dito, day. Ay, shush. Yung asawa ko, day, hindi pa siya gising, wala siyang work ngayon, day. And then yung anak ko na pangalawa nandito, nanonood ng TV, day. Pinay-stop ko muna kasi nga nag-video ako, nag-film ako. So kaya nga, day, iwan ko, day, kung saan kami pupunta ngayon. I-update ko kayo kung anong ating kaganapan for today's video, mga inday. Mga inday, umuulan na naman ng snow dito sa amin, mga inday. Kasama ko si Bibi Kano ngayon. Hi! Akala ko, day, matutulog to, day, kasi nagpakarga siya, day, ba? Ay, ginoo ko. Andyan ngayon, day, full energy. Full energy pa. Talaga siya, day. Ayaw niyang matulog, day. So ngayon, day, tingnan nyo, day, nag-i-snow na naman sa amin. Nag-i-snow na naman. Ay, nako. Asher. Kano, day, ginaganyan niya yung, day, bintana namin, day. Jesus. Nagagwan yung anak. Mukha mo, anak. No. Yung naking nadudor, ha? Uy, nag-i-snow na naman. Walang katapusang snow sa amin, day. Snow. Ay, nako. Kagabi, day, nag-snow, diba? Sabi ko sa inyo. Ayun, nag-i-snow uli. Pupuntahan nga natin yung asawa ko, day. Ang oras dito, day, is 10 o'clock na, day, daw. Tingnan ko. 10:25 na in the morning, mga inday. Pero hindi pa gising yung jusawa ko, day. Ay, ginoo ko. Pupuntahan natin, day. Kasi nga, yung asawa ko, day, nandoon natulog sa mankid, day. Hindi siya natulog sa, day ba, sa bed namin last night, day. So, kami lang ni Bibi Kano yung natulog sa bed. Uy, ginok, ang kapal ng snow, day. Tingnan nyo nga, gaano kakapal yung snow, day. Lion lang natatumba na, day. Sobrang kapal na ng snow. Yung driveway, kailangan lininisan yung driveway, day. Ay, ginok ko. Lion lang nato, day. Tulog pa talaga yung asawa ko, day. Ay, wala tayong magagawa. Yung snow, walang katapusang snow dito sa amin, day. Wala. Pasok na tayo sa loob, day. Ay, nako. Mamaya, day, babalikan ko yung asawa ko, mga Inday, mga 11 o'clock or 11:30, parang ganyan na oras, day. Babalikan ko doon pag hindi pa siya, gumising. Or gigising. Pag hindi pa siya gigising, babalikan ko doon mamaya, day. And then ngayon, day, gusto ko sana na, day ba, magkape kami together ba? Pero, yun nga, tulog pa siya. So, gagawa na lang ako ng pangalawang kong kape, mga Inday. Ito na yung anding coffee mug. Ay, naku. Ay, may kape na pala ako dito, day. Buti na lang, hindi ko pa na-open yung kape ko, day. Ay, ginoo ko. Nagbabudget pa ba naman ako sa kape ko, day. Kasi nga, 8 boxes na lang yung natira kong kape, day. Yan yung kape natin, day. Inom tayo ng kape, mga Inday. Napasa yung dila ko sa, day. Sarap, day. Narinig yung bibig kano, day. Ay, nako. Yung boses ni bibig kano, day ba? Ang sarap ng kape. Lalong kakapal yung snow ngayon, day. Hindi pa nga day, hindi pa nga natunaw yung last week na snow. Ngayon, naman, snow na naman uli. So, mas kakapal pa talaga yung snow, day. Wala tayong magagawa. It's winter. Talagang mag-snow talaga. Kasi winter nga. Nak! What are you doing? Nag-t-shirt na ka. Tingnan nyo yung anak ko, day. Sobrang lamig, day. And then, nag-t-shirt lang talaga. Sana all, nag-t-shirt tra. Parang foreigner ka, hay. Parang Pilipino, pero nag-t-shirt ra. Parang walang ginaw sa katawan. Tingnan nyo nga. Nag-t-shirt yung anak ko, day. Huh? Hindi ka giniginaw? Wala ba, nagkurug-kurug ra. Nag-shaking na.
Tago lang itlog na ako.
Itago lang itlog sa katugnaw. Hoy, ay magkasakit ka dong pagkuha yung jacket dong. Pag inom sa kape, unya na na. Sige daw, nak. Slide daw, nak. Ala, sige. Gigi. Woo! Skates! Woo! Skating, skating, nak. Oh, skating. Oh, okay kayo. Tara na, nak. Tugno kayo, nak. Yung hangin. Dali. Nak, come here na inside. Come here na. Dahil hindi siya yung malamig, sobrang lamig talaga, dahil. And then lalo siyang sobrang lamig kapag may hangin, dahil. Kujer, dali na, magsakasakit ka sa katugnaw. Tugnaw kayo, dahil. Pasok tayo sa loob, dahil. Ala. Ay, ginoo ko, dahil. Yung asawa ko, dahil. Gising na yung asawa ko, dahil. Kailangan kasi magsabi ulit. Kasi, dahil, nag-snow na naman, dahil. So, pasok tayo sa loob. Kujer, come here na, anak. Ay. Ang lamig. Papa is there now? Ay, Papa is in the toilet. Yapa. Papa is in the toilet, anak. Yeah. Ay, shush. Ay, yung bata natin na kulit. Ay! Yeah. Eh? Hi, mga ati. Shush. Ay, tinitingnan niya yung mukha niya, day. Hoy, yung... Ano mo, nak? Busis mo, nak? Ah, ito na, day. Si Bibikano, day. Oh, sobrang saya niya, day. Oh. Kinarga na ng kuya niya, day. You are happy?
Hindi.
Yeah. Ay, ginoo ko. Snow. Talaga. Wa na, day. Laban, Jumirika. So, ngayon, day, gagawan ko ng kape yung asawa ko, day. Okay, ito na yung cup ng asawa ko. Gagawan ko ng kape, day. Ilagay ko kayo dyan, day. Yeah. Cookies ko. Nagkaon na na. Kumakain na yun ng cookies kanina. Kaya hindi, ayaw na niya. Binigyan ko siya ng isang cookie. Oh, my love. Snow. Snow everywhere. Nak, bibili kami ng ano, nak? Coffee mate, nak, mamaya. Oje? Coffee mate?
Di ko matrabaho niya. Magsalita niya.
You don't want to work?
Magsalita niya.
Okay. Yung anak ko, day, ayaw yun nang magtrabaho, day. Asher, ikaw rin, ha? Yung bibig mo, ha?
Bakit si Andrea? Klaro si Andrea. Gahapon mo na.
Ay, naman mo siya mga, ano na, mga issue ba kailangan i-solve?
Nagkumasya mo. Anong hilbot?
What are you doing, Asher?
Hello, man.
Uy, nagkakalat ka naman, anak. No, nak.
No,
Ulitin
babe.
ka, miss.
Ah.
Ulitin, na yung akong anak, day, nagkakalat na si Bikano, day. Okay, narga na lang ng kuya niya, day. Kasing yung mga plastic bag dyan, day, is, kinuha ni Bibikano. So, ngayon yung kape ng asawa ko, day. Oh, bata natin na yun. Sobrang happy, day. Hala!
Sasabahan ako, Doy.
The knee of your kuya is hurting!
Oh my God, man.
Hala!
Exercise.
Your kuya have a knee pain now. 20 years old. Hala! Why? What is that? You're so happy? Hold that. Oh, do it again. Oh my God, you have lots of energy.
That's enough, man.
Enough, Asher. Your kuya is tired already.
It's like gym class.
Jesus, Asher. Yung papa niya dahil nandyan uminom ng kape. Tumatawa. Hello? Huy, Asher. You are not feel tired? O, what na?
They don't get tired of good stuff.
Ah? Oh my God.
As long as they're awake, the energy is endless.
You're done now.
Oh my God, Asher.
There you go.
Oh, down na. You gonna rest now? You're tired? Oh, patay. Why? It kept going. Why? It's my first time, love, that I see Asher doing like that. So that is mean he is too happy. So happy. Pumilya kuya na. Hello. Ay, lots of energy.
Where you get your energy from? From your sleep?
Hello.
Sleep?
What are you looking there, huh? Na. Do you... What? You have plan? What are you looking there? May tinitingnan siya, day.
Something coming.
Ay, ginok. Anong i-edit? You gonna fall down. out gani no. Why you don't understand bata? Ikaw ron, sige, you gotta fall down. Na, sige. You just sit down, anak. That's not ano.
What you said?
Gusto niya talagang pumatong dyan, day. Ay, Ginoo ko, bata, kabatuta. Say, you are scared, yeah? Because you have just a small place to stand up. Natakot na siya, day. O, sige. Ipa-sit down siya, nak. Ipa-sit down. Sige. O, ganyan. That is the right one, anak. O, good. Ay, Ginoo ko, libog og utok. Libog utok, libog. No, that's mama's ball pen.
Utok na yun pag baliktad.
Libog utok. Hello mga inday, mga dudong. So ngayon day, pupunta tayo sa work ng anak ko na may araw. Ito yung weather natin day. Sobrang lamig day. So pasok na tayo day. Nandiyan si Bibi Kano. Ay bata. Nayang kalo no? Slowly. Bata natin oh. Hello. It's super cold today. Yeah, that's right. Kuya put you there. Nakiluk sa daw nak, kung naman yung kalo nak. Na? Kita mo? Hala, pasok na tayo deh. Nak, yung jacket na pa sa kilid nak. Ang close na ko. Pasok na tayo. Let's go. It's super cold today, love. What weather today? Minus? It's 23, so what that mean?
The car says 23.
Oh, 23 degree pa rin.
It's minus Celsius.
So it's negative na.
It's not negative Fahrenheit.
So it's okay. It's negative Celsius. No, we need to shovel, my love.
No, we're okay.
They are okay? Okay.
This isn't all deep.
Okay. Let's go mga inday. Ihahatid namin yung anak ko dahil sa trabaho niya. There you go. Boji need to go work. Ang anak ko day, ayaw niya sanang papasok ngayon sa trabaho day. And then minessage niya yung boss niya. Sabi ng boss, anong sabi ng boss mo, nak? Nak? Sabi ng boss niya is daw. Kasi nagkasakit kasi yung ibang cook pa. So it's what we call malaking epekto daw sa kanila kapag hindi papasok yung anak ko day. So ito day, papasok na lang yung anak ko sa work day. Kailangan niyang pumasok talaga, hindi pwede mag-absent. Ay, it's super cold today mga inday. Sabi ng asawa ko, this is the winter, love. This is the winter na. Yeah, that's right, Asher. Hello there, blah 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 blah. Blah 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 blah. Blah 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 blah. Huh? Blah 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 blah.
124 miles.
Yeah. Hi there. Hi there. Nandito na tayo mga Inday. Yan,
Make good
yan
food.
nagtrabaho. Yeah, make a good food, Kuji. Yan nagtrabaho. Bye-bye, Kuya. Bye, Nak. Yan nagtrabaho yung anak ko
52.
dahil.
We got him here on time.
Yeah, that's right. So, nandito na. What is mo? Ah, yeah. Kabili ka ng cigarettes. Smoker Palace. Look like you love me. Uy!
Where's Myers?
Where's the Mayas? Ah, yeah.
My God, she's got a Christmas sweater on.
Yeah. Paray, ginoo ko. Kukunin natin si Bibi Kano mga Inday. Hi! We are here! Hi! Ay. We're gonna put your cup because it's so cold. Yeah, we need to put that. Go out. Papa will get you.
Come on, bird boy. I got some of your hair, love.
It's okay. Ah, tara na mga Inday. Let's go. Super cold mga Inday eh. Sobrang lamig. So nandito tayo sa may Meijer mga Inday. Ito ay ibang branch ng Meijer. Hindi to same sa last time na pumunta tayo ng Meijer din yung pangalan day. Uy, sobrang lamig ngayon day. Bibi Kano, nandiyan si Bibi Kano. I cannot put my jacket because of my oh God. Oh my goodness. Oh, yung kasi day may hangin kasi day. So lalong lumalamig siya kasi yung hangin day ba. So pasok na tayo day. Mga Inday, kuha tayo ng avocado. Hindi pa siya ano dahil hinog dahil ito okay na po. Ito dahil kuha tayo ng avocado. Yung saging nila is hindi maganda yung saging. Their banana is not nice.
No,
I don't like.
no. I wouldn't.
Yeah. Hindi ko gusto yung ano nila day, saging nila day. I don't know why they covering love. Gonna get banana is here my love. Let's go. There's banana there? Okay, banana. Why they are like so green?
Holiday season, I'm good feel better for everyone on your gifting list, including a little something extra for you. Between December 3rd and the 16th, you can earn $5,000.
Okay. Kuha tayo ng carrots day. Ay, nilagyan nila ng tubig day. Oh. Ayaw ko kung nilagyan nilang tubig. Nilalagyan nila ng tubig. Ilan ko kung bakit nilalagyan nila ng tubig. Tama ako mga inday. Mga inday, lumabas kami agad ay kasi day may naganap na sunog kaninang umaga, and then hindi mo makukuha yung kompletong grocery mo kasi yung mga freezer dahil sinarado nila para hindi masira yung para hindi masira yung mga pagkain day ba. So yun, hindi mo makukuha lahat ng ginogrosary mo, kaya pupunta na lang kami sa ibang Myers day. Sobrang lamig ngayong araw na to day. Where's the car? Tingnan nyo day, puro ice na day. Nandito na day. Pasok tayo, sobrang lamig.
I don't know why it shows me because I don't follow nobody. See?
Yeah.
But they requested to follow me, so it's like, look, it's like all the people that requested to follow, it shows that they have new stuff. I got a ton of them.
Ready na tayo day.
Standards not have, child labor, and so the American government would come in, New York City government, and be like, okay, you're probably gonna have to pay a fine for that. So when he's deregulating, removing red tape, it's not because he's like some pro-market, based capitalist or whatever. It's specifically because he's trying to help these people, these foreigners.
Tayo sa kabilang Meijer na store day.
The semi's beating this guy. This bitch is probably sitting there on her phone. How was that for footage?
You've entered the parking lot for your
Lagi na nami dire. We are here now. Oh my God, there's a lot of cars. I think
All the Teslas lined up charging.
that is the Tesla car there na nag-charge.
That's the charging station. See if there's more on this side. Yep, there you go.
Oh yeah, they are charging their car dai. Ito Tesla lahat yan dai. Nandito na tayo sa Meijer. Much car here, yeah, because the other Myers, our Meijer is broken. Broken electricity. It is on fire. Naghahanap tayo ng
That guy was very descriptive, wasn't he?
parking
He's
lot.
giving us the whole rundown. This place might be burning down right now. We are not quite sure.
Yeah, that
You
guy.
know?
Yeah.
That's what I heard.
Yeah, that's right.
We may be on fire. I don't know. You know that smell you smell when you smell fire? Well, that's what we smell.
Okay, then nandito na tayo. Kukunin na natin si Bibicano again ulit. Nandito na tayo sa labas dahil. Kalabas na tayo sasakyan dahil. So ito ay parang mall nila dito dahil kasi pwede kang makabili ng mga damit, grocery, parang ganyan dahil ba. So ito yung mall dito sa Ano, Michigan day. Sobrang lamig. This is the milk of mama, oh. To reduce fat milk. It's expensive man yan.
The blue one's what you normally get.
Then this one, country milk, it's expensive man. It's $4. There is a cheaper one.
Where's that at?
How about this one? Fat-free milk.
Oh, yuck.
It's yak.
It's yuck.
So this is the good one, my love? The blue? December 4, the expiration date? We are what?
December 4.
Why there's December 4 here? Sale by December 4. Why is still here? Expired na dai. Hoy. Look. Ang bata natin, day. Nag-good boy lang yung bata natin, day. Yan yung papa niya. Let's go. Ay, we're gonna get this one. French vanilla. My love. French vanilla. Para ito sa anak ko dahil mahilig yung sa kape. Ay, ay, ay. Mama. Ay, sheesh. My love. My love. You smile here. Dali, dali. Anak. Ay, wala na dyan ako anak na eh. I just have a small bag of rice.
Where's the tempo? Way down there.
Yeah, you just get the tin pang. Yeah, that's the same.
Get that.
Yeah, that's same. That's 5 kilos. That's enough, I think. Where you go? Naglisod. 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 Naglisod na ko dahil. I'm looking this young boy here. I'm looking.
No, give him one.
This is a lot of carrots there. Asher, your mouth, your ba. Carrot is here, mga inday. Nandito yung carrot, day. Diyan. Yeah, that's right.
Yeah, these are the cheapest.
That's the cheapest one. $3.49.
Now we gotta hurry.
There you go.
Melting process has begun.
Let's go, mga inday. Shh! My love, you're so fast, huh?
You put that camera.
No, I don't want. No, I don't want. Inday, tapos na kami, mga inday. Why they don't have the pajama that, for prince? I don't like that. The chicar doon. Wala sila dahil. Naghanap din ng pajama na gusto ng anak ko dahil. Yung pangalawa kong anak dahil ba. Dahil si Bibi Kano dahil. Tumitingin siya sa mga manikin dahil. Akala siguro niya tao. Di ba nako? Tinitingnan niya talaga. Ay! Tinitingnan niya talaga. Tinitingnan niya talaga yung manikin dahil. Tingin niya dahil. Tara dahil. Manikin. Mga bata naman. Yeah! That is your friend? Tidak tahu. He call it. Hi daw. Hi! Hi daw dahil. Nag-hi siya sa manikin. Hi! Hello! Ay, ano? Ay, siya! Yeah, da. That's right. Yeah, da. No, we need to wait, anak. We gonna pay. We need to pay. Mga Inday, tapos na kami mga Inday. So, lalabas na tayo mga Inday. What?
Baggers transitioning from a man to a woman or a woman to a man.
That is what I'm
I
thinking,
don't know
love.
what the origins are.
I'm thinking that one too.
The world is weird.
Ay, ginoo ko. Kasi may ano dito ba, bagger, yung bagger dahil iwan namin dahil lalaki ba siya o babae. Iwan ko dahil kung ano yun dahil. Saan na yung sasakyan namin? This is the super cold today, love. Sabi ng asawa ko, yeah. Daming sasakyan dahil. Ano, dito na tayo dahil. Kukunin natin si Bibi Asher dahil. Sobrang lamig dahil. Sobrang lamig kayo. I cannot feel the
That's
hot.
right,
There's
Asher.
no hot here.
No, it's up top. Look.
Top?
You guys take your time. Seriously, you're good. Good.
Nalakad ko yung ano dahil. Yung init dito dahil. Wala. Well, there's
I got it up top. It's up there.
Why you put here?
Because I like you. Does that make you happy? Up there?
Yeah, this is more better here because it's closer. Yeah, it's getting hot.
No, it's open.
Okay. Nilagay ko sa kamay. Nilagay ko sa kamay ko dito dahil. Kasi sobrang lamig talaga ngayon dahil. Super.
Thank you very much.
Why are you taking my heat? Huh?
Because you got to share. That's right,
I
Asher.
need to share.
Yeah.
So let's go na mga Inday. How much you pay, my love? Huh?
I don't remember.
What? You the one do grocery and then you don't remember. I mean, you the one pay there. Let's go. Madali lang kami, day. Dali lang kami natapos.
Excuse